Hi guys, this is Kamsari from the Happy Jiva team. Welcome to our question and answer series. For those who have sent in their questions, a big thank you to you all. And those who haven't, we really do encourage you to please send us your questions. You can leave it in the comment section below, or you can send us an email at info@thehappyjiva.com. So let's get started with this week's question. The question is, do drugs give us a spiritual experience? To answer this question, we really need to know what spirituality actually is, because spirituality has been used in so many different contexts and so many different areas. It's become such a vague term. So let's go down to the basics, the ABCs. There are two energies that are involved. One is material and one is spiritual. Matter is temporary and it has no life force, whereas spirit is full of life and it's eternal. There's no end to it. So of the two energies, which one are we? Well, we are spiritual by nature, but our body and our mind, they're just simply coverings. They are material. So now that we know there are two energies, matter and spirit, and that we are spirit stuck within matter, then we need to know what material experience is and what spiritual experience is. A material experience is temporary and it's something we perceive through our senses and our mind, whereas something spiritual, that's everlasting and that's perceived directly by the self. Another important difference between a material experience and a spiritual experience is that a material experience is temporary. That means that happiness is always accompanied by distress, whereas a spiritual experience is always blissful. It's always full of joy. So drugs themselves are just material substances. They just alter the state of the body and the mind. They don't really enter into the spiritual realm. So the drugs, these substances, they are themselves material objects. So that means they're temporary. They will have a lifespan, a lifetime, wherein they can be used and can't be used. And people who use those drugs or intoxicants, what generally happens to them is that their altered state of consciousness, which they call as a high, that high is temporary. They always have to come back down. So that experience is a temporary experience. It's material. So this is the nature of material experiences or material enjoyment. Material nature restricts us in terms of how much we can enjoy and how much we experience in terms of distress. So what that means is that how long we can enjoy is limited and how much we can enjoy is also limited. So that's a material experience. But a spiritual experience is dependent on spirit. When we practice spiritual practices such as yoga and meditation, these genuine practices of yoga and meditation allow us to be able to connect through the spiritual energy to the source of pleasure. Those who are seeking to be in contact with the spirit all the time, those persons have a lifestyle dedicated to spiritual knowledge and practice of that spiritual knowledge. Their whole life is dedicated to be able to be in contact with the spirit. That's why they always experience everlasting happiness and joy. So how does it actually connect to the spirit directly rather than having to go through the body and the mind? Through meditation and yoga and other spiritual practices, what generally happens is that the person, the self, the soul, bypasses the body and the mind and directly comes in contact with the source of enjoyment, the source of spirit. Being in contact with that source of enjoyment, bliss, and spirituality, then what happens is that just as you put an iron rod into a fire, and over a period of time, the iron rod will then develop the attributes or the qualities of the fire, so that what you can do is get that iron rod and touch it to another object and it will begin to burn. Similarly, when we come in contact with the source of spirit, the source of pleasure, naturally we become spiritualized and we start to experience that spiritual joy once again. So to wrap up, drugs cannot give us a spiritual experience because they are simply material substances which just alter the state of our mind and our body. So remember that a material experience is different to a spiritual experience because we are the spirit soul covered by the body, covered by the mind. So to be able to enjoy or experience a spiritual experience, we need to directly go to the source of the spirit. We need to be able to come in contact with that source of pleasure. Thanks for watching. If you've got questions and you want answers, please do write it down in the comment section below. Otherwise, write to us at info@thehappyjiva.com.